راحوا تضو زمات فشانم سيدي.
بيسرع بنا عمي.
يا سيدي.
The Russians only understand violence, so I show them violence. Kharkov has an air force, so we have one too. Our seaplanes loaded with C4.
الدفاع الأولى مستعدة.
بعد الدفاع الثاني بعد ما نفوت.
Are we ready?
Yes, Commander. Let's fly. Alex, flying to the helicopter for impact.
I'm in.
Stay low. The airbase is ahead. Tarmac is in sight. Crash into the chopper. Steady. Aim at the helicopters for impact.
We're flying, brothers. Let's get down there.
Airbase perimeter is dead ahead. Second team will cover us with the cannon.
Echo 3-1 to Watcher. Local forces are moving out on Barkov's airbase, requesting close air support.
Copy 3-1. I'm tasking an unmarked gunship to your position. Stand by.
Roger that.
Hold here. Get ready. We attack their armories, take their weapons, and take their airfield.
طيب كريم.
Cousins, we fight to free Urzikstan and take back our country. For Urzikstan!
Urzikstan!
إطلاق المدفع!
In the air, good to go. Alex, drones are ready. Take out those helicopters. Goodbye, Alex. Well done. Alex, the planes are ready. Planes are airborne, Alex. Alex, more planes are good to go. Good hit, Alex. Try like an 8. Alex, the planes are ready.
Got eyes on the armory. Red building.
Get in there!
Alex, the planes are ready.
First armory's clear.
Planes are airborne. Alex, more planes are good to go.
Tarmac is through the gate. Everyone to the gate.
Out of planes, Alex. More coming.
It won't open. اللعنة! We need to take Barkov's airbase.
I know what to do. I'm going to ram it.
3-1 to Watcher. We're moving to the tarmac. Where's that air support?
Echo 3-1 CAS. Down. Unmarked. Get fired. Risky odds.
Alex, the planes are ready.
With me! We're pushing to the tarmac! Let's see it! Brother!
Okay. Darcy, we are going to the last armory. What's another way, Fly? Our safe house is under attack. I can't walk anymore. I'm sorry, brother. Alex, my planes are down. Now he's fine.
I have a helo on the way. We're on our own until then. Where's the last armory?
In that hangar, across the tarmac. We take it, and the base is ours.
Roger that.
Take that armory!
Keep pushing to the hangar. Some dog bastards are still inside!
I hear them! Alex, get the door!
There's a hatch on the roof. Alex, help me up. Up here, Alex, jump! Here, Alex. 1, 2, 3! That's all of them. Move in.
Last armory is secure. Resupply on me.
Make it quick. Enemy reinforcements are here.
The fight's not over yet. Come on!
They cut the power!
We're gonna get boxed in!
Shit! We will need more firepower to stop those tanks!
I hear it coming!
Echo 3-1, Viper 1-1 on approach, ready for tasking. What's your position?
Viper, this is 3-1. Goddamn good to hear your voice. Friendly's in the hangar, taking fire from troops on the tarmac. You are cleared hot.
Roger, 3-1, Viper inbound. Targets are in sight. Stand by for fire. Missing away. Take out that enemy armor. Inbound with 30 Mike. Here comes gun run. Gun. Enemy armor down there. Take him out. Those three done, yeah. Enemy armor's destroyed. Now get after the guys on foot. Got a guy aiming an RPG at us. Hit him. Target is toast. Fucked him up. They're retreating. We can get after them or call it here. All targets destroyed. Tarmac is clear of enemy movement. Over.
Solid copy, Viper 1-1. Appreciate the high heat. Don't be a stranger.
By choice.
I know.
So you do kill Russians?
Only the bad ones.
Today was a great victory for us. Thank you.
We make a good team.
Yes, we've bought time. But Barkov will retaliate.
So will we.
Alex and Commander Karim's forces have destroyed General Barkov's forward operations base, temporarily limiting Russian air capability in Urzikstan. We need to move fast. Sergeant Garrick, thanks to your intel, we tracked the Al-Qatala cell responsible for the Piccadilly attack to a townhouse in North London. 3 SAS teams will get inside and connect the dots. If the Wolf is in possession of the stolen Russian gas in Urzikstan, we need to find him. Be advised, there may be non-combatants on target. Check your shots.
Targets are up, boys.